Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit. This new kit RG from PATLABOR EZ. But this RG scale, I think this scale 148. So it's not like scale 1144 like usual. So this from Headgear. I'm not familiar with this movie or series. It's a PATLABOR series, I think. The police. So this front stock image. Then it's got the gimmick, the posing, the articulation parts, and I got a pistol here, revolver cannon. It's an inner frame, the pilot figure here. This one, and small the weapons and the posing here, front back cover on the back. So you can see what I have inside here. First pack is runner B and runner E. More in the frame, and it is the armor parts, white color. Next pack got a sticker, small sticker. Usually RG is quite big, this one is small only. Sticker, runner C2 and F2. The C1, and the back is G1. So in the frame got a wrinkle here. Next got runner I2, H2, and clear part. Here is runner A. Got many clear parts. Then D2 for the leg part. This I think the H2. This one. The frame is I1, more to hands option, but one trigger hand, open hand, hold hand, and close hand. And this one is a pilot figure. So next we got D1, H1, and this one is F1. So in the frame is a black color one, the armor. Got like shining parts for the black color, and this one the gold. I think they're for revolver magazine. Then lastly the manual. So this kit is quite expensive. I think around ringgit Malaysia 250 to 300. I got mine is around 240. So beside here, so this is the manual. So because it's new kit, I think all parts used, no cross here. And this type is the leg part, right leg. Then left leg is the articulation parts. Then the body unit, they do the cockpit first here. Then this information, INGRAM plus AV-98Plus. Info here is a pilot Tawakoga, the PATLABOR EZ. I think this one movie here. Got a gun here. There's a stun stick and shield, head shutter, floodlight, winch. All this is more like police. Then continue on the body parts. Body parts complete with the waist and arm units, Then you need to follow this instruction. You got like lock system here. The head unit, the arm or equipment, the revolver cannon, the simple one here, shield and stun stick, also just one parts only. And then how to hold the revolver cannon and how to store the revolver cannon. Then the parts we can extend here. Okay, the posing and head shutter, floodlight, and this one is how to attach the action base. Then this how to open the cockpit, open hatch, cockpit hatch. Then ada some wire here. I think maybe they got wire inside, not sure. Then this is the guide for sticker and guide for color. The pilot figure you need to color because it's all white. Okay, I think that's all for the unboxing. RG INGRAM Plus from PATLABOR movie, I think. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.